What is meditation in service to humanity? Welcome from a fellow traveler. There is a quiet revolution happening across the world. People are sitting in silence, not to escape the world, but to serve it. This is not meditation to find peace alone. This is meditation as a living bridge between soul and society, a conscious act of service to humanity and all life. The ancient wisdom teachings speak of a time when meditation would become an act of planetary healing. A tool not just for inner transformation, but for global upliftment. Energy follows thought. Group meditation radiates light into collective consciousness. These teachings reveal that every thought infused with love, every meditation rooted in selflessness, becomes a thread of light in the vast web of planetary consciousness. We are not separate souls. We are one soul, learning to awaken through many lives, cultures, and forms. Take a moment now. Close your eyes if you are able. Breathe slowly and feel the rhythm of your heart. Now imagine you are not alone. Imagine thousands of people, in every time zone sitting quietly with the same purpose: to offer their light to a world in need. To heal separateness. To be an instrument of peace. Can you feel the presence of this silent, radiant group? This is what Alice Bailey called the new group of world servers. They work in light, in thought, and in intention for the common good. And you are a part of it, if you work with selflessness for the good of all. Service meditation is not about solving problems directly. It is about conditioning the subtle energy field of humanity, so that inspiration, clarity, and goodwill can flow more easily. We must understand that thought is a powerful creative force. When you sit in silence and offer love, you are planting lighted seeds in the collective mind of the world. These seeds produce very real fruit. Let this be our invocation today. May the light of the soul guide my thoughts. May the love of the heart inspire my actions. May the fire of the will serve the good of all life. Please join us each week as we build a rhythm of light. Together. You don't need to believe anything. You only need a heart willing to help a struggling world. Thank you for your presence and light.